My name is Sam, and this is one of my very favorite things to show off here at the Science Center. So this is called a pendulum wave machine. We've got weights hanging down from the top, and when I pull back on them, they swing forward and back over and over. Each forward and back is one period, and because each one has a different length, they each have a different period, creating a cool wave effect.